How to do a factory reset for your VetFlex ICU. A factory reset may be needed if oxygen is not holding steady at the preset parameters or similar after attempting calibration. Please note, make sure to consult your VetFlex representative before doing either of these troubleshooting steps, as it may void any warranty or service plan coverage. To do a factory reset, start by turning off the flow meter, opening the ICU doors, then turning on external circulation and allowing the inside of the ICU to equalize. Now locate the exhaust outlet and filter on the left inside in the ICU and remove them with a Phillips head screwdriver. Inside, you'll see the sensor module board. On the left side of the board, about halfway down, you'll find a plug with red and black wires connected to it. Once this is located, go to the control panel and click the settings gear icon and enter the code to access the settings panel. Go back to the sensor module in the back of the unit and unplug the red and black wired plug by pressing the white tab securing it. Once disconnected, locate the free plug that is zip-tied on the left and connect it to the same port where the red and black wired plug was removed. Once the plug is replaced, go back into the settings and reset the oxygen sensor by tapping OK next to the Oxygen Sensor Factory Reset option. Go back to the sensor module in the back of the unit and disconnect the zip-tied plug and reconnect the red and black wired plug. Let the sensors stabilize and wait for the oxygen concentration value to become stable on the control panel and hit OK next to tare calibration, then save and return to exit settings. Lastly, reassemble the filter. Your VetFlex ICU is now ready for use. Please note, make sure to consult your VetFlex representative before doing either of these troubleshooting steps, as it may void any warranty or service plan coverage.